Hi guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. I absolutely love Instagram. It makes me feel connected to my friends and I love the way we can use it to connect with people all across the world. That being said, the connections we make on Instagram are virtual, and I made one of my New Year's resolutions for 2019 to continue to connect with people more in person. I found this recipe for Instagram cookies and I thought they'd be a great way to bring Instagram symbolically from the virtual to the real world. I hope you enjoy. To make this recipe, I'm using graham cracker cookies and several different types of fondant. So to start off, I'm going to be breaking up my graham crackers into squares so that I have them like an Instagram icon shape. In these containers, I have several different colors of fondant. So I'm going to start off by rolling out some of my light brown fondant to make the base of the Instagram logo. You want to cut enough of the light brown fondant to measure across about 3/4 of the graham cracker cookie. Now I'm going to use some white decorating icing to attach that piece of fondant. I'm going to repeat this process for a couple other cookies. Now that I have a couple of the Instagram bases, I'm going to add some dark brown fondant across the top. What I love about fondant is it's kind of just like Play-Doh, so it's really therapeutic to just, get your hands dirty and play with, but you won't experience as much social stigma for being above the age of 5.
Using a circular cookie cutter, I'm cutting out a light brown and then a black circle to create the lens of each cookie.
I'm now going to use my black fondant again, as well as a sharp knife, to cut out the tiny little squares to be the flash icons. So now that I have my kind of base of the Instagram logo made, I'm going to use the primary colored fondant to make the portion of the logo that uses rainbow colors. So for this portion, you just want to flatten all the colors of fondant and then cut out tiny little slivers of it. The final step is to put a little piece of dark brown right underneath the rainbow. And if you want, you can use a decorating pen to write INST on that brown piece, just like the logo has. So once you've added the little Inst word part, you're done. These are your edible Instagrams. If you're looking for an excuse to connect with people in the real world, I can't imagine anyone would turn down this edible Instagram icon. That's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.